concept. Okay, see, the question is, can we create a rule name starting with px, py, pz in Pega? So the answer is no. So what happens if we create? So we just need to know. So the question may ask these many types. Okay, I just written here how the interviewer will ask the question. Same answer, but question is they can ask in a different type. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, let's create rule means let's try to create one property. Anything is a rule, right? Okay, so I'll try to create one property here. How to create? Right click, create data model property. So I'm going to create what is our question, just observe. Can we create a rule name starting with px, py, pz in Pega? So I'm trying to create px name. So I'll try to create the rule called px name. Px name. I'm trying to create it. Okay. What will happen? Just see. This record has one error in place. The property name px is a reserved name. Starts with px, py or pz and is not extending a visible property in Pega rule set. Okay. So we cannot create. It will give the error. So let me try to create. So it is not working, right? So what I will do, I'll try to create with pz. What will happen? We'll see. Create and open. Same. The property name pz name starts with a reserved prefix. Px, py, pz are the reserved prefix for Pega rule sets, okay, which cannot be used in non-Pega rule sets. So these are reserved by Pega. So by Pega purpose only they have used it. So it is predefined. We cannot create any rule with PZ. So I'll copy Y from here only because I don't have Y. So mm, I'll try to create with PY. Same error will come. Okay, we'll see now. If not, you just see. See. A case mismatch has been found for the property py name does not match with py name. Py name is already there, so it is not matching with that. Okay, so we cannot create with that names px, py, pz. This is the important thing you should know. So question may come like, can we create a rule name starting with px in Pega? So answer is no, we cannot create. I just shown you. Can we create a rule name starting with py in Pega? Definitely not. I have shown you. px is a system reserved prefix used for public read-only system properties. I just showed you, right? Px create date time, px create operator like that. Okay, we cannot edit also that things. Okay, py prefix is a you cannot, no need to say all these things. You just say no because px and py pz are for Pega use itself, but we cannot use that properties like that. You can say py prefix is reserved for public editable system property py id, py label like that created by Pega itself. Can we create a rule name starting with pz? Definitely not. I shown you it is throwing error. Pz prefix is reserved for private or internal system properties used only by the Pega platform. Can we create our own section flow? Just we try to create property, right? Everything is a rule. Section is a rule, under rule, HTML section flow also. These all are rules only. So answer is not allowed. Can we create our own section or flow or activity data transfer property with the names like pxCustomer? Just now we tried to create px name, right? So it is not allowing. Not allowed because Pega will block or prevent creation of custom rules using the reserved prefixes. Reserved prefixes. See, reserved prefixes. Reserved prefixes are nothing but this px, py, pz, starting with that names. Okay. Why does Pega restrict rule names with px, py, pz prefixes? Because these prefixes are platform keywords and Pega uses them internally. You can use this word internally, Pega for internal purpose. So that's fine. That is your answer. These are system properties, auto-generated values, internal processing, work object, and rule metadata. This thing. If they allow it, what will happen? Allowing users to create rules with the prefixes would cause conflicts, errors, and unexpected behavior. We will corrupt it. So that's why they are not allowing us. Okay. What prefixes should we use for custom rules? You can use anything which is meaningful to you for understandable manner you can use, but it should not be started with px, py, pz. That's it. Okay, you can say like that. So with this, I'm ending this video. We'll meet in next video. Bye. Thank you.